Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network alignment. Both phone and TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable the TV's casting receiver or open its casting app so it can accept a connection. Next, on your phone, open the app you want to cast from or pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. You do this now to initiate discovery. The phone will scan and list available receivers so you can pick the TV and start the link. Once your TV appears on the phone, tap its name and accept any prompts on the TV to allow the connection. You'll see a brief handshake. After that, adjust audio and orientation so the picture fits. Phone rotation and TV aspect ratio matter for clean display. Make sure the app's cast controls are used for playback and subtitles rather than the phone's play buttons when possible. If you need full screen duplication, choose Screen Mirror. Otherwise, cast the app. To finish, stop casting from the phone's cast control or hit the app's disconnect button. This cleanly releases the TV receiver. If you experience lag, make sure both devices are closer to the router, try the other Wi-Fi band, or reboot the router to clear congestion. If the TV never appears, reboot phone and TV, check for firmware updates, and temporarily disable VPN or battery saver modes. These commonly block discovery. Following these steps, you'll reliably cast content with minimal interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.